Hello guys, this is Mr. Halima. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Um, Leo topic itakuwa nini? Leo tunaenda direct. Kawaida mi upost kuku tu kwa video, lakini wasiongei. I don't talk. Usually, I post videos so you can see how the chickens are going, how they are doing. Lakini sijai post nikiwa nasema hivi ama hivi. So leo nataka tuongelele broiler chickens because hizo ndizo saa hii niko kufuga, but niko na experience ya kuku mingi. Nimekuwa nikifuga layers, nimefuga kienyeji, nimeuza mayai sana, pia nimeuza broilers in the process, lakini right now I decided to keep broiler chickens. I think I decided to keep broilers because broilers are very simple to rear. Sio kama kienyeji ama hizi zingine. Sisemi hizi zingine ni ngumu, sitaki kukata mfugaji yoyote roho, sorry for that. Lakini as per me, I decided kufuga broilers because for me it was the simplest. Because of the feeds. If you look at the feeding of the broiler, the duration ranges from first week to 5 or 6 weeks. Lakini layers ama kienyeji, you are going to feed your chicken from the first day, because usually we rear from the day 1 chick to 6 months or 5, depending on how you feed your chicken, so that they can start laying eggs. You see, so that duration, I guess it became long for me. The feeding process, it became long. So I decided broilers because the duration, the time, to get rid of them and get others, for those 5 weeks, it was the simplest. So I did research. I did my research and everything, and I found out that broilers, they don't need a lot of care. They don't need a lot of experience to keep them. You just need to decide. Think, I want to keep the broilers. Then keep them. Don't hesitate. Don't go here and here and there. No. So, broiler chickens, first of all, let's start with 100 chickens. Ama chicks. Nimeshaenda dukani. I have bought my 100 chicks. What do you do? How do you start? Okay, we start like this. Tunaanza hivi. You buy your broiler chickens. Nimenunua 100. Nimenunua makaa. Chicks need jikos, or kama uko na hizi stima za taa hizi za joto, the lamps. Umenunua makaa. You've bought your sodas, umesha tandaza. Okay, chicks ndio hizi zimesha kuja. How do you start? Umesha prepare nyumba, umesha piga spray for bacteria and everything. Umesha leta chicks, umeziashia moto ama umeashia ile lamp. Feeds 100 chicks, ukiangalia inaweza kula feed kiasi gani. You start up with 2 bags of starter crumbs. I usually use 2 bags starter crumbs. Then after 3 weeks, umeshazilea zile kuku zako. Na unakuwa na vitamin, by the way, when you're starting your chicks to grow your chicks. Kuwa na vitamin na pia paraffin for easy digestion. Na paraffin usiweke ati tu, no, it's not for long. You just paraffin is for just 1 day, 2 days. Nivo kidogo tu kwa maji na the vitamin. Then umeshanunua bags zako za feeds. That is for 100 chicks. You put umeshaziwekea. We go from there. After 3 weeks, una change feeds. That is a must. Na ukiexceed kuwekea ile starter, unafanya ile kuku inakuwa slow to growth. So immediately hamia kwa pellets. We go to pellet. Sasa pellet ni the 2 weeks or 3 weeks according to vile utafeed. Na pellet goes to 4 to 5 bags for your chicks to be ready for that 5 to 6 weeks. then you prepare them for commercial, yani kuuza sasa hizo ziko ready. So that is very simple. Broiler ni very simple, so we start from there. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Nitawafundisha mambo mingi kuhusu kuku. Remember to to subscribe.